and go! I'm going to open up this wall in order to add a shower in this half bath. Yes! Which means I'll have to sacrifice a little bit of closet space. Welcome to my shower. But it will be worth it to have another shower in this house. Yes! Helena is on fire! I just killed a roach! Oh my goodness! Ah! Go! I'm filthy, dirty, sweating with disgusting toilet water. The house is looking so much better right now. I see the space, I got the vision, and I'm gonna deliver. Now it's time to get back in there and clean out the second bedroom. What the heck is this? Oh no. Holy macaroni, this is a lot. Ay, me pucha. Oh my God, there's so many animals in this house. There are roaches, ants everywhere. I'll have to do some kind of extermination here. But first, I need to see what's behind this moldy mess. There is a huge leak over here. The insulation is completely wet. Lots of drywall that I have to repair. And look at all the ants. There is an invasion of ants in this house. Please be careful. They're just falling down the ceiling.